Hi, I'm Chip and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Now everybody wants to be the hero of the tailgate. Now RYOBI has us covered with all of our game day essentials. Let's start with portable power. The 40-volt power station is really amazing. You don't need gas at your tailgate any longer. It's strong enough to power your game day TV, a refrigerator, even your appliances. Now for an even more portable solution, check out the 1+ and 40-volt power sources. These come with a 120-volt outlet and USB. Also USB charging is on the RYOBI solar panels. You can keep your smartphones topped off all day long. Now, nothing soils the party more than being sweaty and hot. RYOBI has a whole line of fans to keep you cool, including a misting fan and one of my favorites, the clamp fan. Take this on from the tailgate inside the stadium to keep you cool all day long. Now for those late night games, you gotta keep your space and your tailgate illuminated for cleanup. Check out the tripod stand light. This telescopes up to 5 feet tall and illuminates the whole area. Now we gotta have our tunes. The Bluetooth speaker is unbelievable. The sound clarity is 8.5 times better than previous models, and it has a Bluetooth range of 125 feet. We also have the compact Bluetooth speaker that you can take anywhere. Now, no game day is complete without the game ball. The dual function inflator gets the job done, keeps all the toys ready for action. All right, RYOBI's got us covered with all of our game day essentials. You guys have fun. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Tuesday Tips. Now, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, product announcements, DIY projects, and more. Make sure to leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see in the next video. We'll see you next episode.